Hi designers, it's Lydia with you again. In this video I will show you 2 design tips. First is color generator. If you need fast to create visual presentation of your color palette, go to the website called UI Colors app. You can input any hex code or change the HSL values to create a custom color scale. Also, there is an option of adding secondary color. Figma plugin is my second tip. On the plugin search type Tailwind CSS color generator. Here you as well can input hex code or generate randomly. If you already use some colors, he will propose according to them. When you have the palette you need, put the tick to generate a color guide and press create style. Before the right panel was empty, now we can see our color style library. We can continue and create complete color style library. I would prefer to do it on the early beginning in order to use this library in my project. Because if after I will need to change the color palette or one of the colors, it will be automatically changed in all the file where the color from the style library was used. Thank you for watching. Put your like, let the comment and go on my account to have more design tips.